Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode is a cool one right here, and basically what this is an over-the-door hanging organizer. And for the one that we got right here is a 4-window slot that has like a clear design in the front. So that way you can see everything that's put inside each slot, which is pretty awesome. But the one that we got right here is by the brand called Simple Houseware, and they actually make a lot of different type of organizer where you can actually hang over your door. But this is basically what the product looks like for the one that we have right here. Let me actually open up and show you guys what the product looks like. Alright, so we first open it up. This is basically what the product looks like. So inside right here, there's actually a lot of different accessories that are provided for you guys. So they basically provide you guys these little boards that can put in the bottom for support, and then these are can put on the side to give you guys even more support, and I'll show you guys how to use these in a second. And then right here we have the door hangers. They provide you guys 2 of these right here. So you basically put this on the top to actually hang it over the door. But this is basically what the product looks like. Let me actually open this up. Alright, so when you guys open it up, this is basically how big it is. So you definitely see that the product is not that big. It's actually pretty small. So if you have to try to look for something that's pretty small to help you guys organize stuff, you don't want it to be too long or too much stuff on here, this one's pretty nice, as you can see right here. So on top right here, they have the option for you guys to hang the hangers on here. So that way it's actually hang over your door. And then right here, we have the actual window slots right here, where you can put stuff inside to keep everything organized. And like I mentioned, for this one right here, is 4 different slots right here. They do have other ones available where I actually give you guys more or less. So you definitely want to do your own research to see which one you guys prefer. But this is the one that we got right here. If you flip it on the other side, this is basically what it looks like on this side. When you guys view the side right here and also on the top right here, you can definitely view that cardboard inside right here to give that support when you guys actually put it onto the wall. But this is basically what the inside looks like right there. So you basically want to get this part right here first and put it inside. And this part right here is the bottom part, so you guys want to put that in the bottom. So just like this, and push it all the way down. Once you guys have it in, that's basically what it looks like. So once you guys finish that part, you guys want to get these right here and put it on the side, because they have these little slots in the slide, so that way you can just slide it in. So just like this. And then same thing for other side as well. So you basically want to just slide this inside right here. So that way not only do you guys get the support in the bottom, but you guys also get it inside right here as well. But you see that once we actually set this up, this is basically what it looks like right here. And here what it looks like on the side. You can see compared to the bottom right here, it definitely looks so much nicer. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Let me actually finish setting all these up right here first, and then we'll hang this over the door and show you guys how to install it. And then we'll come back and talk more about the product in a second. Alright, so you see that once we set up the product, this is basically what it looks like. So once you guys set up these parts right here, you can start putting stuff inside right here. And basically the top part right here, you guys want to hang it through the door. So you basically want to put the hangers through these holes right here. And the top part right here, you just want to slide it inside. But you see the way how they designed this product is definitely pretty small. So if you guys want to put another one of these, you definitely can. But this is basically what the overall product looks like once you guys installed it. So that way you guys have storage here, and you probably have storage here if you guys want to get another one. Otherwise, you just get one of these right here and just put it right here in the middle. And for the hangers that they have right here is pretty high quality. I believe it's like metal or stainless steel. It definitely gives you guys a very good support when you guys put stuff on here. So whether you guys want to put like your shoe, or if you guys want to put like a power bank, you can definitely put whatever you guys want on here. But definitely as you see, the product definitely works really well, and it's super easy to install and super easy to remove as well. If you guys want to move it, you basically just want to open up the door and just slide that part out. Because this part is actually movable, so even with the door closed right now, if I want to move it over, alright, so you see how we moved it over? It'd probably be easier for you guys to get like a ladder to actually move it. So if I want to move it now, it's definitely much easier when we want to move it. But it's probably much easier for you guys to move it if you guys have the door open. But this is basically what the product looks like once you guys fully install it. Once you guys fully install the product, you can definitely put stuff inside right here. But definitely love the clear window design right here, so that way you can see everything that's put inside. Alright, welcome back guys. So now that you saw a quick test of the product, you can definitely see that it does work. Super easy to install the product and super easy to use as well. Basically, you can see from the test, it's actually really easy to install the product and super easy to set it up as well. And once you guys put everything inside, you can definitely see everything inside, which is pretty awesome. So that way everything is all organized. So if you guys have a lot of stuff just hanging all around, then you definitely want to put stuff inside right here, so that way you guys know where everything is. And for this product, they actually have it in many different colors. So the one that we got right here is a beige color, but they have this available in like black, gray, brown, and the list goes on. So you definitely want to do your own research to see which one you guys prefer. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to go unboxing and testing the product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. Especially like I mentioned earlier, if you guys have a lot of stuff and you guys want to keep everything all organized, and if you guys have like an open space in your door that you guys are not using, then definitely getting one of these right here, or the bigger size which has a 6 window slot from the same exact brand or a similar brand, is definitely super worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or haven't one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it'll definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.